Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, we are going to be making some donuts. Yes, African party donuts. You know those donuts that is always present at most African parties. Well, you can make them at home with this easy recipe and enjoy it all by yourself. So let's go over the ingredients and get right into it. We are going to be needing some vanilla extract, baking powder, a pinch of salt, some nutmeg, melted butter, sugar, 1 egg, some flour, and milk, and 1 lemon. And as always, I will list them all in the description box below. To begin our donuts, I'm going to add my vanilla extract to my milk and then add my sugar. And I'm also going to add my egg, which I have lightly beaten. And now I will mix everything together and set it aside. And in this recipe, it works best if all the ingredients are at room temperature. Next, we are going to proceed by combining all our dry ingredients. So I'm going to add my flour to a bowl, and I'm using all-purpose flour. To it, I'm going to add my nutmeg, my baking powder, and my salt. And the baking powder is really necessary because it will help make the donuts light and fluffy, and it will also help in the rounding of the donuts. Give it a good whisk and add the milk mixture. Now using my whisk, I'm going to mix everything together until the wet and the dry ingredients are well combined, but make sure not to overmix it. So stop as soon as the mixture comes together. I'm going to grate in the zest of 1 lemon. And I'm also going to add the juice of half a lemon. Usually I use orange, but I'm out of orange. If I were using orange, I would have added the juice of 1 orange because I like the flavor better than the lemon. Mix that in and add your melted butter. Now gently fold in your butter until it is well incorporated. And at this point, I'm going to switch to my spatula so that I don't overmix my donuts. And as soon as the butter is well incorporated, we are going to stop and let it rest for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to use that time to clean up and heat up my oil. To fry the donuts, I'm going to wet my hand, scoop some of the butter and push it in the oil with my thumb. And if your oil is at the right temperature, it should pop up right away. If not, it will get stuck at the bottom and come out misshapen and soak up a lot of oil. So for the perfect results, you want to keep your heat at a medium-high temperature. So not too low and not too high. If it is too high, the outer part of your donut is going to brown too quickly and the inside is still going to be raw. So regulation of your heat is very important in this recipe. I am using my skewer to move the donuts around just to help them brown evenly. So as soon as they become golden in color, they are ready to be taken out of the oil. Mine was in there for about 5 to 7 minutes because the donuts are not really that big. And at this stage, they are golden to my preference, so I'm going to take them out of the oil and allow it to drain on some paper towel lined bowl to catch some of the excess oil. And we are ready to enjoy some donuts. Now, just look at that. This is what I call the golden balls of Africa. Donuts so light, so fluffy, definitely not greasy at all. Donuts na why ya kono day, eh? Me compa party, so coronanti yakadem, ebe. So guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.